Hello, my name is Leslie Sigaran, and today I will explain a little bit about my lesson plan. The subject is the preposition for a place and the use of there is and there are. This lesson is for beginners A1. So the objective is at the end of this unit, students will be able to use the preposition about places, and there are giving directions about places in their neighborhood. Use there is and there are about how many places are in her or his neighborhood. The warm-up, it is a short video for introduce the topic, and then the video during about 2 minutes, and then I ask questions about how can I use the different prepositions. In the pre, this activity is the interactive dice. I create a dice, and these dice contain different prepositions in that, and I create pairs for some students. And one student will roll the dice, and the others wait. For this activity, students use his or her favorite toy. The idea is that students recognize how can I use the different prepositions with her or his favorite toys. In the during and this section, I introduce the topic. I write in the background the grammar, how can I use the different prepositions, and how can I use the reason there are. I use different flashcards with some places, and I ask. Different question is there is or there are in his or her neighborhood. For example, there are a bakery, there are some parks, and something like that. And for the boss is the activity number 3 is listening and audio conversation. The idea is that the students listen how can I use the preposition with a conversation. One person asks for some directions, and then I make a group work activity. In this activity, the students will create a conversation and about giving directions. And me as a teacher, I write the background example that the student used for create a short conversation. At the end of this class, I take some minutes and I get my students a page in that they are some exercise that they complete with preposition in the box. And then for assignment, I evaluate if my students understand the use of preposition, if the students can use there is and there are for question, how many libraries are in the neighborhood, and ask and answer questions using preposition and there is and there are. So this is my lesson plan for the PDP Framework. I hope you enjoy, and I see you in the next time. Bye bye.